See? There is a bee on my camera. You think you could consider going to the flowers and not pollinating my camera? Oh, oh. Okay, you're gonna clean your legs. So many different pine trees all clustered together. It's kind of cool. It's not going to be very good quality, but there's a chipmunk and a bunny over here too. Funny. And they keep hopping over each other. And now if I go get my big camera, the show will be over. Too cute. You guys haven't seen the geese yet, have you? There you go, now you see them. Huh? You don't care? Okay, good. Got some pretty stormy looking skies here. It's been raining off and on all day. That is a weird looking skyline. I just love this atmosphere here. Walk down to the pond a minute. I guess this is private property here. I don't really know. Oh yeah, they've got it coned off. Okay, so, and that's all fenced off. So I have to go a different direction. So we'll cut through here. Little bunny. There's bunnies everywhere over here. There's another bunny. Yeah, they're everywhere. Hey, bunny, we're gonna catch you running. This is what you're doing. What the heck are you doing? Yeah, there we go. Oh my goodness, it kind of looks like fire above the trees, doesn't it? It looks weird. And this used to be an old barn, and then it was turned into a restaurant. The restaurant is no longer open, but they still use it for weddings and such, receptions and such, and events. Just keep on walking. And this area has been really clean. Really nice place. Really nice place. But the geese came up and poo-pooed all over the place today. Here goes another bunny. They're everywhere. Earlier I saw a chipmunk and a bunny together. It was pretty cute. And here is the pond. Oh, it looks really nice at night, doesn't it? I need to snap some pictures. Wow, pretty. Doesn't this look cool at night? Hear the quiet hum of crickets. And the freeway. Unfortunately, the freeway has to play into it. But still, this is very, very nice. There's a little island in the center. You can hear the ducks over there. Too grainy, getting too dark. This is heaven. They were working on this house earlier, putting it together, putting the roof on it and everything. And you can see the front face board there where they haven't quite finished it on the roof. And I guess they're going to put these others together as well. And this is just for some kind of event. They don't stay here. They will unassemble them and move them when the event is over. Pretty amazing. And it's been raining today, so that's probably hindered them a good bit. Rained yesterday too. I haven't been able to get out and get out and explore much or anything. This is the next day on the modular home thing. What a difference. So they've got 4 set up over here. Maybe we'll be able to tour them, I don't know. I don't know what happened there, but the slides are knocked out. Maybe a storm or something did that. Not good. I just took the dogs for a walk and found my first painted rock. It had gotten run over a couple of times. Look at that face. Positivity rocks. It says keep or rehide. And they don't like their outside pen. They think it's punishment or something. I don't know. You'd think that they'd like to come out and hang out? No. You know what? I might just walk over to that building just to get a little reprieve for a little while. Of course, I'm recording on a sports camera. But that's what I came up to the hill to get. I wanted to see the warrior, the soldier, the honor and memorial to the soldiers. God bless them. There's way too many cars coming and going. Let's go check out this building over here. Yeah, there's campsites beyond this field. Sometimes they have concerts here. This is where they did the hot air balloon, and they had a concert that night. Oh no, it was fireworks. They had a concert over here during the fireworks. They had concerts everywhere here. But this might be a nice place just to hang out for a few minutes. Yeah. And somebody always has to have trash, right? It's a neat building. Okay. I wonder if this was made from old barn wood. Looks like it may have been. You guys, can you jump up there? Huh? Can you? Can you make it? Huh? Can you? Huh? Oh, you're gonna take that route? Look at you. All right. Good boy. Start singing. It's the Dirty Dog Band. Start singing. No. Don't jump. Don't jump. It's too high. No. Don't jump. Go on. Huh? You want back down? Then I have to undo your leash. Look at that. Look at you guys. Such goobers. Freeway is just beyond the end of that campground over there. Some of the trees are slightly starting to change. Not much yet. And my mom told me that they start to change after the first frost. I wish there was a place for them to run. But they're runners, they'll take off. So anyhow, I think they use this for a ball field also. Oops. See, over here are the more overflow campsites. People are still camping. And of course, right beyond that is the freeway, so I would not like that at all. Seriously? See how cute that is? Get over there, they got all these multicolored chairs and a little fenced in area. It's adorable. Golf carts and e-bikes are coming out. Gotta watch out for the golf carts around here. Hi, how are you doing? Just doing videos.
For the campground?
No.
Okay.
No, I have a YouTube channel.
There you go.
You have a good one. It's a little bit chilly and windy today. It's 55 degrees. And so much different than Texas. So much different. So this is the view outside my mom's place. And then if you go down this way, there's the pond. Over here we have a purple martin house, and I did see some on a tree the other day, but they flew off before I could grab a camera. Check out these places, they're pretty cool. It'd be nice to have a place in front of the pond like that. Is this what's considered B-roll? Maybe I should behave. Be out of here. Be gone with you. Oh, he's not leaving. Did he leave? Did he just go to the front of the camera? Ah, he's in the front of the camera, right where my grip is. And if he flies up, he's gonna fly into me. Okay, camera's just gonna have to sit there until the battery dies. I think I can, okay. There. Where'd he go? Did he leave? No, he's still there. What the heck? Okay, I guess I'll get some B-roll while he's being a bee. And he's still there. Yo, BB. Yo, hey, BB King, leave. Oh, goodness. What are you doing? Leave my camera.